Hello, hello. My name is Diego Cervantes Yamal, and I'm going to present the evidence tree of effective presentation workshop. Well, first of all, my name is Diego, as I said, and I'm 20 years old. I born in February 14, 1998. I know, Valentine's Day, in Mexico City. Well, I'm going to present the top 10 moments of my life that helped me as professional. The first is to learn French, English, and a little Spanish. Well, French and English help me to open new topics. And when I travel, they help me to understand the people and the people to understand me. Well, learn how to drive because I crashed twice when I start learn, and that didn't stop me to focus and achieve how to drive. Well, win a tennis tournament because when I was 12 years old, I start and go to a tournaments and lose in first round, second round, and then I win one, and that's like achievement to me because I try to win that a lot of time and I did it. Well, be the best in my high school class because that proved to me that I good at it. Win a math award in high school. Well, that was in Tex Millennial High School, and that I do a math test, and I didn't know that it was a contest, and I did it the best one in all the in all the campus of all Mexico. Well, visit New York because it was my dream city that visit, and that's what like a dream to me. Travel to by myself to Las Vegas, and all the money that I spent on it, it was by my work. That is so satisfied to do because that's with my work and my savings let me go to a place that I always want to meet to go. Well, in college I have a 95 semester, and that's a pretty high because the average is 80 and I have 95. I'm closest to the perfection. Well, my college is Tech Millennium, as you know, because you are my professor, and that's achieved because I get what I want in college and with a good scholarship. What study finances because that's my passion since I was a little boy because I love math since I was 10 years old. I learned how to do math, and that's why I'm good at math. And that's all. Thank you.